Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. You know, I always have the best deals for you, and this one is one that you don't want to miss. This beautiful piece of land of about 2,000 and something square meters is a perfect property because it has beautiful ocean view. This property is the property you've been waiting for if you're a builder or if you like to have your big house. So why don't you come and have a look? I am sure that this is the one that you've been waiting for. So for more information, you know the drill. Check on the link here below for more information. And the price, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all your friends. Bye.